In today's problem, it says Anna and Amy start a landscaping job together. When Anna stopped, she completed 2/5 of the job. When Amy stopped, she completed 1/3 of the job. Then, Reuben completed the rest of the job in 2 hours. Assume that Anna, Amy, and Reuben all worked at the same rate. Which of the following values is closest to the number of hours it would have taken one of them to complete the entire job alone? Okay, so they don't tell us how long this job takes. All they tell us is that Anna completed 2/5 of it, Amy completed 1/3 of it, and then Reuben finished the rest in 2 hours. So, let's figure out how much of the job Reuben had to do. So, we take 1 and subtract 2/5, and then we subtract 1/3, because that's how much Anna did and how much Amy did. So we subtract their portions. All right, so we get a fraction. And since I have my fancy-dancy calculator, we have 4/15. So that's how much of the job Reuben had to do. That's the portion he did. Now, it took him 2 hours to do that much. Now, how much of that would it take for him to do in 1 hour? Well, just divide it by 2. 4/15 divided by 2. Well, 4 divided by 2 is 2/15 in 1 hour. Okay. So, what we've got is, we've got this portion done in 1 hour. Now, let me make a simpler example. What if it were 1/2 that he did in an hour? If he did half the job in an hour, how long would it take to do that job? 2 hours. What if he finished 1/3 of the job in 1 hour? Well, it would take him 3 hours to do that. And so what's happening is, if you notice, okay, 1/2, it'll take 2 hours, 1/3 becomes 3 hours. We're talking about a reciprocal. If you just take this reciprocal, that's going to give you the amount of time it will take to finish the entire job. And that's the information we've got here. 2/15 is how much it takes to do the job in 1 hour. So if we take the reciprocal, we get 15/2. And so we get 7.5. And they're all working at the same rate. So not like Reuben is faster or Amy is slower. No, they all work at the same rate. So it's going to take any one of them 7.5 hours to do the job. So the answer is K.